Hey everyone, today I'll be unboxing the Canon EOS Rebel SL3, otherwise known as the 250D 200 Mark II and the KISS X10 in different countries. Today the model I have here is the 250D, which is the European version, and I got this from a third-party seller on eBay. So the first thing you see is the charging cable itself and the instructions manual for the camera. And here's the camera. Right off the bat, it feels really solid despite it being very small and light. And as you can see, the touchscreen also articulates. Next up is the lens, and it is the 18 to 55mm f3.5 to 5.6 EF-S mount. And this is the battery charger. This camera also comes with a camera strap. Last but not least is the battery. I also got a 32GB SD card. While you're watching me struggle with the camera mount cover, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Now that we have that out of the way, I'll quickly set up the camera. And that concludes this video. Please consider subscribing, and comments are always appreciated, whether they're positive or negative. Thanks for watching.